Let me tell you a secret that colleges are scared to admit. And this might hurt a little, but you need to hear it. Right now, as you watch this video, there is a factory robot being built that can do a job faster than a human. There is artificial intelligence software being written that can design a basic machine part in 3 seconds flat. Here is the truth. If you are a mechanical engineer and your only skill is passing exams and writing theory on paper, you are in the danger zone. The industry does not pay only for degrees anymore. They do not pay for definitions you memorized in second year. They pay for skills. Every single year, thousands of engineers graduate. But the industry says we cannot find good people. Why? Because there is a massive gap. A gap between what you know and what the real world needs. If you don't close that gap today, you risk becoming irrelevant. You risk being the engineer who has the degree but not the job. But fear not, that's why I'm here. Hello friends, I'm Sagar Rathod and welcome back to 4 Dimensions Infotech. Today we are not just talking about software, we are talking about saving your career. We are talking about transforming you from an exam student into a design engineer. I have spent years in this industry and I have seen that what makes a fresher successful. It's not magic, it's the mastery of the right tools. In this masterclass video, I am going to take you on a journey through the holy trinity of mechanical design. That is AutoCAD, SolidWorks and SolidEdge. I will tell you exactly what they are, why do you need them, and how to learn them the right way. And stick around until the end because I have some bonus career tips that nobody teaches you in the college. So let's dive in. So first, let's talk about the absolute base of engineering design, that is AutoCAD. Many students ask me, Saga sir, isn't AutoCAD for civil engineers? Or isn't it too old? Should I just skip it and learn 3D? Please, never make that mistake. AutoCAD is the language of manufacturing flow. Now why is it important? In any big industry, before a product is made, we need a layout. We need 2D drawings. When you send a design to workshop to the person operating the lathe machine or the milling machine, they need a clear 2D technical drawing. They need to see the exact dimensions, the angles and the tolerances. AutoCAD is the best tool for this. What you need to learn? At 4 Dimensions Infotech, we don't just teach you how to draw lines, we teach you drafting standards, how to create a drawing that follows international standards, orthographic views, how to look at a 3D object and draw its top, front and side views perfectly. GD&T means geometrical dimensioning and tolerances. Now, it's very important. You need to know how to mark tolerances so the part fits perfectly during assembly. If you master AutoCAD, you build a strong foundation. You learn accuracy. Without this, you cannot be a good 3D design engineer. Once you understand 2D, you need to step into the world of 3D. And the best place to start is SolidWorks. SolidWorks is one of the most widely used software in design industry. From small startups to big multinational companies, everyone loves SolidWorks. Why is it so popular? Because it's very user-friendly. It allows you to think like a designer. SolidWorks uses something called parametric modeling. This simply means that everything is connected by logic and numbers. If you design a machine with 100 parts and you decide to change the size of one screw, SolidWorks is smart enough to help you update the assembly. What will you do with it? When you learn SolidWorks with us, you learn to create 3D parts, turning your ideas into virtual reality. Sheet metal design. This is huge in industry. Think about computer cases, washing machine covers or car panels. SolidWorks is excellent for this. Assemblies. Putting all your parts together to see if they fit. Weldments. Designing structures made of pipes and beams. SolidWorks is essential for product design jobs. If you want to work in R&D, that is research and development, this software is your best friend. Now let's talk about the third tool, that is SolidEdge. If you might be thinking, if I know SolidWorks, then why do I need to learn SolidEdge? Well, SolidEdge is developed by Siemens. It is a very powerful tool used by many large-scale industries. SolidEdge has a special feature called synchronized technology. Let me explain it simply. In normal software, if you want to change a design, you often have to go back to the beginning of your steps. It takes time. In SolidEdge, you can just grab a face of a model and pull it or push it to change the size. You can edit models very fast even if you did not create them originally. Why is this a job skill? In real world, you often have to work on designs set by other clients or old designs. Solid Edge makes editing and reverse engineering very easy. By learning Solid Edge along with SolidWorks, you will tell the interviewer that you are versatile, you are not limited to one tool, you can work with different environments. This increases your value. Now, before we get to the bonus tips, let's talk about the most important thing, the thing you are all thinking about, your career growth and salary. Many students think, I will learn the software, get a job and that's it. No, that is just a start. Let me break down the reality of design industry in India and abroad. Stage 1. The fresher from 0 to 2 years. When you start as a junior design engineer, your salary might be average. Do not get discouraged. In this stage, you are being paid to learn. You are gaining the real world experience. You are learning how manufacturing actually works. Focus on speed, accuracy and understanding industry standards. Stage 2. The professional. Once you have 2 to 3 years of experience and you are an expert in tools like SolidWorks or Solid Edge, your value skyrockets. Companies struggle to find experienced design engineers who can work without supervision. At this stage, you can expect significant salary hikes. You move from junior engineer to design engineer, or we can say senior design engineer. Now this time, focus on handling full projects, dealing with clients and optimizing designs for cost. Stage 3. The leader. With 5+ years of experience, you enter the management zone. You become a team lead, a project manager or an R&D head. Here, salaries are very high. You are not just drawing lines anymore. You are making decisions that save the company millions. You can take a freelance project from clients like USA, Europe or Dubai. You can work from home in your spare time designing 3D models for 3D printing, rendering product images or converting 2D drawings to 3D. The earning potential here is unlimited because you are earning in dollars, not just rupees. Design is not a dead-end job. It's a highway to high-paying white-collar career. But you need to survive the first 2 years, and for that, your skills must be solid. Learning the software is step 1. But how do you actually get the job? How do you beat the competition? So here are my 3 bonus tips for you. Tip 1. Create a digital portfolio. Don't just carry a resume. A resume is just a text. Engineers are visual people. Create a PDF portfolio. Put images of the designs you made in AutoCAD, SolidWorks and Solid Edge. Show the before and after. Show the complex assembly you built. When you show a portfolio in an interview, you prove that you can do the work. It builds trust instantly. Tip 2. Focus on design intent. Don't just learn the command. Anyone can learn which button to press. You need to learn why you are pressing it. Why did you choose this material? Why did you place the hole there? Why is the wall thickness 2 mm and not 5 mm? You need to justify the design. And 4 Dimensions Infotech, we teach you the engineering logic behind every click. Tip 3. Learn standard parts in the industry. We don't design everything from scratch. We buy bolts, nuts, bearings and gears from catalogs. You must know how to use the standard parts in your design. It saves times and money. If you tell an interviewer, I use standard parts to reduce the manufacturing cost, they will be very impressed. So how do you master all of this? You can try to learn it alone, but without guidance, you might miss the industry standards. This is why you should join 4 Dimensions Infotech. We are focused on one thing, that is practical training. Now what makes us different? First, the real projects. We don't make you draw random shapes. We give the real industrial drawing to practice. Your work on projects that looks like actual company task. Second, expert guidance. Our trainers have industry experience. We know what companies are looking for right now. Now the third thing is complete support. From learning the first command in AutoCAD to preparing your resume and portfolio. We guide you through everything. Fourth one, placement assistance. We help you find the right opportunities. We prepare you for the technical questions asked in interviews. We don't just teach software, we teach you how to be an engineer who solves problems. So friends, the world is growing, manufacturing is growing, automation is also growing. We need designers, we need thinkers, we need you. Don't be afraid of the gap. Do not be afraid of the future. You have the potential to build amazing machines and products. You just need the right tools in your hand and the right mentor by your side. So take the first step today. Stop worrying about the degree and start working on your skills. Join us at 4 Dimensions Infotech. Let's build your portfolio, let's build your confidence, and let's get you that career you deserve. I am Sagar Rathod and I am here to help you succeed. Check the details in the description below. Call us or visit our institute. Let's design your future together. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the class.